Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Superform token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Superform is the first stable neobank. Anyone can save, swap and send earn on chain while keeping full control of their assets. Use Super Vaults to automatically optimize their earning or build their customized portfolio by directly depositing into over 1000 earning opportunities. Superform is a decentralized finance protocol that functions as a user-owned neobank, enabling automated yield generation and cross-chain transactions through its core product Supervaults. A user-owned neobank, it simplifies DeFi by offering a single interface for saving, swapping, sending, and earning yield across multiple blockchains. Powered by Supervault, the protocol uses automated cross-chain vaults that execute DeFi strategies to optimize returns for deposited assets governed by the up token. The up token is used for protocol upkeep, staking for governance, power edge ups, and bonding by network validators. Superform token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 139.22 million up token. Up token is listed on popular exchanges like Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.